Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 14th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. Also, teachers, make sure your quarterly grades are all synced to PowerSchool and ready for report cards. All grades must be entered and verified before leaving on Teacher Workday, which will be this Friday. Please return the revised supply list to Ms. Horton by Wednesday, March 16th. PST. All PST documentation should be current. Beginning today, our administrative instructional team will be coming to 2nd through 5th grades to do individual goal setting with students for the ACAP, and also the book fair will continue all this week through Thursday. Today's late duty is Miss Overstreet, tomorrow's Miss Hogan, Wednesday Miss Granger, and Thursday Miss Peralta. Also, additional announcements, cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in their backpack and powered off. A student should not have a cell phone on their person. It should be in their bag and it should be turned off all day long. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No hoodies. So no students should be wearing hoodies outside of their classroom once they get into the classroom and ready to start their school day. So teachers, make sure, and students, make sure you are following the uniform policy. Important dates. Today we have ACAP faculty meeting. Tuesday, March 15th, blood drive. Wednesday, March 16th, spring pictures. Thursday, March 17th, third quarter ends. Friday, March 18th, teacher workday. No school for students. Monday, March 21st, beginning of the fourth quarter. March 21 through 25 is going to be ACAP testing for our 2nd and 3rd grade reading and ACAP alternate. Tuesday, March 22nd is math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have a HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday and also World Epilepsy Day. The students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants on this day for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. And ending out our month, Tuesday, March 29th, we have PST. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. Our top class in K1 is Miss Shaver's class with 100%. In 2-3, it's Miss Kurt's class with 100%. And in 4-5, it's Miss Moore's class with 100%. Awesome job. Top students with the most lessons passed. In K1, we have Mr. Giovanni Medina. Way to go, Gio, in Miss Shaver's class. In 2nd, 3rd, we have Ashton Beeman with 15 lessons from Miss Weaver's class. And in 4th, 5th, we have Miracle Mims with 6 lessons from Miss Bolton's class. Great job to all our iReady Stars. Way to go. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.